And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today it's all about the iPad Pro. This is not the brand new iPad Pro, this is just a 2018 iPad Pro. And today we are gonna connect a mouse with our iPad Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So first and foremost, what we need to do is to make sure that we are in 13.5. This is iPadOS 13.4, I meant. And make sure you are in that software update. And now we are gonna try out connection between the Magic Mouse 1. This is just the first generation. This will work in a trackpad as well, and it doesn't have to be the Magic Mouse 2 or anything like that. It'll work on the first one, the first trackpad, and any Bluetooth mouse as well. So what we need to do is go to Bluetooth and make sure that our Magic Mouse is on pairing mode. There you go. Click that, other devices. It's our mouse, press pair, and it's connected. So as soon as it's connected, you'll be able to see that our mouse starts to work. And this is very beautiful what Apple had done here on 13.4. I love how the brand new OS, all it needs is just a brand new update and you'll be able to have this feature. So basically with this, you'll be able to go down and go to the home menu. As you can see there, it attracts to that button just like that. And as soon as you hover on something like an app or up here, see that? It's a button to click. As soon as you hover, that's pretty cool. I like that. So when you click that, control panel comes up. You can even click an app just like that and go back home by doing that. So for example, your iPad Pro is locked. You can click the mouse and it'll turn on the iPad. So as soon as you click the iPad with a touch, your cursor also goes away. There we go. Now let's open up Notes. This is just one of the usefulness of this iPad. So for example, we start a new note and we just type whatever. There you go. Now you can go ahead and as soon as you hover on that text, it'll change into a cursor and you can go ahead and highlight right away. That's pretty cool. So Apple, a traditional mouse, Apple has changed it to a little dot where it's very minimal. And now you'll be able to, any changes as well to the function that it needs. So you could see up there. That's pretty cool. Something simple like a mouse cursor, always been the same on every generation ever since it was made. Apple changed the game by doing this. Now you can interact with your iPad Pro with a brand new mouse, not the traditional style, but the minimalist style of mouse cursor. I love how Apple just, in simple ways, brings the innovation to the next level. Little tweaks here and there makes our life easier. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys were able to use this brand new way to connect a mouse to your iPad Pro. This also works on different iPads. And basically you don't need a brand new iPad or anything like that. This works on all iPad Pros. This works on some of the iPads here and there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Comment below if you love this feature, how much you love this feature. I'll see you in the comments below. Hit that like button as well. Subscribe to my channel and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and peace out.